Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be taking a look at Muhammad Ali by Iconiq Studios, and Faison, I think, partnered with them to do the body on this, so I think that's very cool, so I want to pick this guy up. So yeah, let's get into it. The front of the box has a gold logo with a matte gold artwork behind there. You can see a picture of Ali right there. And then if you turn the box to the side, there's a headshot of Ali with the his signature there. And then on the other side, a different headshot of Ali with his signature there. The top and bottom is just blank. And then the back, we have a description here of the figure, and then you have a quote by him. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. That was one of his like trademark quotes, I guess. So, and then it says it's licensed by Everlast, so that's really cool. They could put the Everlast name on the trunks and everything. So yeah. Alright, so real quick, I wanted to show this off. I've never seen this on a box before, but you have the Muhammad Ali logo right here. You have the Muhammad Ali signature, and you have his name there, and then you have the Iconiq Studios logo. And that's both sides of it. And then on the bottom here, you have your warnings and everything. So I got this off of Big Bad Toy Store, so there's a sticker here. And then, if you look, this is everybody that worked on the figure and everything like that. There's a foam piece underneath this. And I want to flip the camera around now. So I want to show this again just in case you guys couldn't see it that well. And this is what you see when you open up the box. So we have this foam piece that kind of covers the body. And then we have his stand right here. Then we have his hands right there. And then you have the TB League silica gel. So that's very cool. You know, I really like that they worked on this body. So I'm going to flip the camera around again and we can take a look at everything. Alright, so we'll start off with the hands. So this is just a wrapped hand. Open palm. We have another wrapped hand, but this is a fisted hand. And then we just have the other side. And the other fisted hand. And then we have a part of the base, and I think this is bendable. Yep. Very cool. Take the figure out now. He's covered in a plastic. I'll do that off camera. And he does not stand well on his own, probably because of the boots. But you can see he has the Everlast logo on his trunk, so that's really cool. And since he does not stand well, I am going to put him on this plastic sleeve, because I think there's another part of the base, or part of the box. Okay, yeah. So we lift this foam piece up, and we have another set of boots. So this is like if he's on his, you can see that. He's on his tippy toes, you know. And then we have his display base. take it out of the plastic, actually. So it has a signature right there, and it has the logo right there. Just gonna put this back in the sleeve. And then he comes with his robe. So that's really, really cool. Now, they have a bust that you can buy for this figure, or maybe not even for this figure, but that bust contains a alternate head sculpt that you can get. And I believe it's just like a blank expression. So it's pretty cool if you're a really big Muhammad Ali fan. But this head sculpt is still great as well. So I wonder that if I put one of these boots on, that maybe he'd stand better. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try that. So I will be back. Okay, so I did try the other boots and they didn't really work. I think they're a little bit worse without the stand, but I was able to put the other boots on and just move the legs a little bit, and now he seems to stand okay on his own. So yeah, that's pretty much how he looks. I will switch out the hands so you guys can see how that looks. Alright, so that's how he looks with the other hands. I think overall he probably looks the best with the gloves on. You can see the Everlast logo. So that's really, really cool that they were able to put the logos on there. It's kind of a shadow. I wanted you guys to see the logos on the boots. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The head sculpt is cool, I think. It's pretty good. I really do like the body. I think the body's awesome. Then you got the trunks. I think the trunks were really well tailored and everything. They look really, really cool. Then you got the hands there. They're nicely sculpted and painted. The paint matches the body, so. And then he has socks. And then you got the boots, and the boots were pretty well done. I think it would have been a lot nicer if they, I'm not sure if they have tread on the bottom or if that's how normal boxing boots are, but yeah. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment, or, and if you guys want to see more of this figure, leave that down in the comments. I know I didn't really go over too much, but this guy does not necessarily come with a ton of stuff either. So, yeah. So overall, I think this figure is really cool, and I think he's one of the only Muhammad Ali figures on the market. I think there's another one. I think it was made by Storm Collectibles, but I think this one's better. The seamless body is incredible. And I love the sculpt on the body and the head sculpt, and everything's really, really cool. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just feel free again to comment, and I'll try to answer. Hope you guys have a great day.